Hey guys, welcome to your morning announcements. I'm Lennon McAllister. Today for lunch we've got French bread pizza. We have French bread. Hey guys, welcome to your morning announcements. I'm Lennon McAllister. Today for lunch we got French bread pizza, green beans, fruit and veggie bar. Monday's breakfast is going to be pancakes. Just for some general news here, slushies will be served to 7th and 8th graders Friday, May 16th, grades 9, 10, and 11 will have them. Monday, May 19th, and elementary will get them on the 20th after their inflatable session. There are forms in the office for those interested in taking driver's ed from Northeast. The cost is $375 per student. All library books need to be returned today. Yearbooks are still for sale until May 21st, $40. Lifeguard applications are still in the office. Addison Wilnerick and Jocelyn Miller are still hosting boys and girls basketball camps. The gym floors are being redone. Athletic department is still selling old football jerseys. There is a girls basketball meeting today in Mr. Shutt's room, I believe. Yep. Sports, there's no sports. And then for your special segment today is going to be Aubrey and Talya alphabet, followed by Ash, Carl, and Des bowling.
Hey guys, today we're going to find an object for each letter of the alphabet and we're just going to wander around school and you get to go with us. So we're going to start with A, that's me, Aubrey. And then we're going to in the B, which is right there, the bobcat. Okay, now C is this lovely classroom.
Ooh.
C. Okay, now D. Let's go on a hunt together.
Oh, sorry, you're already in it.
That's what I was shaking my finger at you.
Too bad we weren't at E. That could have been English teacher.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
We're on D.
Yeah. You can come up with ideas too.
Okay, door.
Oh, door.
Door.
Door. Yep.
E.
E. I forgot to say that. Let's see.
Let's go back to English teacher.
Well, can I just point at the English?
Oh, I got you.
Hey, Talya.
I.
I.
Do I bully you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, F. This is my friend.
Yeah.
G. Galvin. She's a Galvin. Yep.
Yep.
H.
Hallway.
Oh, very good.
Hallway.
I.
I. Indoors.
That was bad. That's being honest.
Okay, I.
I mean, good idea, but not quite there.
Oh, follow me.
Okay.
Hey, you want to take it?
Yep.
That way it'll just.
So.
Ice machine.
Yes, now we have documentation where someone we're not supposed to be. Ice machine. Good job. J. Oh, wait. Show me now. Jacket.
Jacket.
K. Too bad our name doesn't start with K, Carly.
Okay,
I was gonna say class. I think I'm bad at this.
K.
No kites. Here, do you want me to walk ahead of you so you don't have to like turn like that?
K.
We're really struggling here.
Where's Shane? Kendrick.
Oh yeah.
Hmm.
What's any words that start with K.
King.
Where's
And then-
Emma? Kite. Kangaroo. This is embarrassing.
Keaton.
Yo, what's up?
Okay, we just needed a K.
Okay.
What?
Nice.
You
Yeah.
might be, Bentley.
Okay, so now we're on L. Library. Right there. M.
M.
Mechanical closet.
Mechanical.
Okay, your turn.
N.
Nelson.
Oh, perfect. O.
O.
Oh, this is harder than it looks.
Yeah.
Here, you hold this, if you will.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks.
O. Open doorway.
Okay. Good.
P. Perform.
Good job.
Q.
Yeah.
Q.
Ooh, I have an idea.
What?
If we go, wait. We need to find a quiet place. Does that
Oh.
count? Let's go in the corner. Oh. Wait, let's just go halfway down this hallway.
Yeah.
We gotta find a place where there's no sound.
Yeah.
Wait, maybe we can turn left.
Wait, how about I got one.
Okay.
Quitter.
Or quitter.
Okay.
That's crazy.
Q. R. Rolly cart.
Rolling cart.
No,
Good.
rolly.
Okay. QRS.
S. Stand.
Tripod. Sure. Stand. T.
Trash.
Or Talya. We got both. U.
U.
Yeah. Oh, I'm supposed to be showing you.
U. Under the table.
No. Keep looking.
U.
We're getting to the hard ones now.
U. U. U.
Yes, you. This was a hard one for us, guys.
This is a union. Union. Holder.
Stop right there. Stop in the name of the law. What about oh, I got it. Right there. Stand in front of it. Unisex bathroom.
Unisex bathroom.
Yep. V.
V.
Here, walk ahead of me. Yeah.
V. You think that kid has Velcro on his shoes?
Shoes off. It's on the side. Okay.
Oh,
The-
thing that I have.
That we can find.
Do you have like Velcro?
Oh, I might have Velcro. Am I on that thing?
Well,
I hate that thing.
okay, we'll put it down here.
Like yeah.
Maybe over here, just in case those are important pictures.
Look at this P.
Oh yeah, good call.
Well, that's a good one, but it's not quite V.
Oh.
Man, Velcro.
Yes.
Does that count?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Turn it up. Velcro.
Woo! Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.
We needed a little help on that one.
V.
What are you doing?
We're finding all the things of the alphabet, just for our video, for fun.
I thought you were like helping the kindergartners.
Oh, no, helping ourselves.
W. Water bottle.
Oh, good.
Water
Is
bottle.
that yours?
Yeah.
W
X.
X.
Go to the band room for a xylophone.
We might have to.
Do we have an Xavier in our school? You got a xylophone in here?
X-ray.
Or an X-ray?
Or we might have to go to the music room.
I think
Are
somebody
you just gonna show the floor the whole time?
Well, I didn't want to show her. She didn't want to be shown.
I'm just kidding.
Or her desk of important stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can look at my nice shoes.
Extra.
Wait, extra guns.
I have gum.
Oh wait, does it start with an E?
No.
Dang.
Wait, let me see it.
Cover up the E.
Extra.
Yes. Okay.
Z.
Why?
Youth Energy Leadership Camp.
Okay. And finally
And Z.
Z.
Don't worry.
Zone.
Hey, it's in there right here. Holy cow. I know. I need.
Where did you get those fruit snacks?
In there.
You stole them?
Yeah.
She begged, she cried. Get in there and just
I need something that starts with Z. Zipper.
Oh yeah. Zipper.
Zipper.
Oh yeah, we could
Can I
have gotten
see
one
it?
from yesterday. All right, so now you have to do the outro.
What? That's all for today. That was the whole alphabet we found in the school.
Ding. Okay, bye.
Hola Bobcast, it's Carly and
Destiny.
and
Ashlyn.
and today we're gonna be playing some bowling ball, and it's our very last video, me and Ashlyn. So wish us luck because we're seniors.